Right out the gate, the judge is confirming Ariana's identity and prior case, that theft from a person charged from 2020. This means she was already on thin ice, serving a deferred adjudication, which is basically a second chance before an official conviction. But here's the twist. Once you violate that, it can instantly turn into a full conviction. Let's see how she handles this pressure.
Are you the same Ariana Yalen Fuentes who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 7593 for the offense of theft from a person on June 2nd, 2021 for a period of 3 years and extended for a total of 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 2, on or about the 29th day of January 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ariana Yalen Fuentes, did in there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer or supervision officer and/or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Whether you remain violating condition, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waiver?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 180 days in this, I'm sorry, up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court would find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor, and it's the individual on probation and denies the motions with alternate amend to put a hair follicle on release and monthly urinalysis. Also for her to provide a good address where she was living, and also sober support meetings weekly for 60 days. And then also we are requiring or requesting a 6-month extension.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
And again, we are in agreement with that. And just like to point out to the court, she has completed her direct class. She got her GED with the first couple of months on probation. She's paid all her fines and court costs and everything, and she's been clean for 8 to 10 months, which the hair follicle should show that. So we are in agreement with the recommendation.
Why isn't she doing her UAs?
May I speak, Your Honor?
Yeah, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Ariana Yalen Fuentes.
Yes, why are you not reporting for your UAs?
So I am currently a full-time student in Academy for Massage Therapy School, Your Honor. And it revolves all of my time and all of my day. I go to school from 8 in the morning to 2:30 a.m. in class. And then after that, I attend.
You can really hear the tension building. Ariana is trying to juggle school, work, and probation, but the judge isn't buying the too busy excuse. And honestly, this is where so many probation cases go off the rails. What do you think? Should personal progress outweigh probation rules? Or are rules, no matter what?
Internship from 2:30 all the way to 10 at nighttime. So I'm constantly busy at school. The only day I do have off is Sunday. So by the time that comes, I don't really have time to do anything. And I'm on a call line. So the call line that I call, I'm at school. Sometimes I'm taking 2 tests a week. So I'm busy. My main focus is on
So
school.
here's the thing. I understand that people have other things they want to do. They're busy. But when you're on probation, you're on probation. I don't know what people don't understand that probation should come first. I know people are trying to better their lives, but probation should come first. And she's been here before, and I've altered and amended conditions for her before. And I've asked her to do sober support meetings. Did she do those?
No, Your Honor, I did not. I know it's not an excuse, and I agree that probation does come first, but I've been trying to fix my life, and I have a goal to open up my own business and
But
start
here's the thing, they're asking for you to do sober support meetings. I've already ordered sober support meetings. And there's no excuse for not having done those, because sober support meetings, they're available 24/7 throughout the city. They're available on Sundays. They're available Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at all times of the day. So I don't even understand why probation is recommending that she do sober support meetings. I've already did that. She didn't do them. I've already extended her. She didn't do well. I already asked for weekly testing for levels. And I will tell you, the only reason why I would ask for weekly testing for levels is because she's using. If she wasn't using, I wouldn't have asked for levels.
And here's where the judge drops the hammer. Notice that line. The only reason I'd ask for weekly testing is because she's using. That's not casual courtroom talk. That's a judge signaling deep doubt. In legal terms, this shows a breakdown of trust, and when a judge loses confidence in your compliance, probation survival becomes almost impossible.
Been cleaning for 8 to 10 months, which, like, again, the hair follicle will show that if that's true.
Well, I mean, we would have known that if she would have done the testing. I don't think probation is a good fit for her.
And Your Honor, also, I'm on a call line, so I'm on random drug tests as well. So I'm not sure. I don't know whenever I take a drug test. It's not like I intentionally.
No, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be random, so you don't know, because there are
Oh,
some
yes, ma'am, I
drugs that stay out of your system. And what's the number one thing I always tell people? I always tell them, if you have an issue with probation or things are going on and you can't do something, come to court, let us know. She didn't do any of that.
I actually tried to reach out to you plenty of times through my probation officer.
No, I already said, if you have an issue with probation, you can come to court. Do I not say that all the time?
All done.
So I don't think probation is good for you.
But she
I-
did, I'm sorry,
Go ahead.
she did ask her probation officer if she could have a meeting set up with you, for the court to talk to you, several months ago, I guess.
Yeah, my probation.
She
I
did
was
reach out
trying
real
to
quick.
talk to you about all my achievements and stuff that I've been completing and let you know that I've been doing good.
Mhm.
And I know I missed a few calls. It wasn't intentionally, like I said, I don't.
No, I mean, even, here's the thing. You're in school, you're doing whatever, I understand. But there's no reason to be missing the sober support meetings because they're available 24/7 throughout the city.
I would be like, it's not an issue that I can't do it. It's just I'm in a school where I do a whole year of education in 6 months. I'm a slow learner. I have to study 2 times, 3 times harder than usual.
Mhm.
So it's harder for me, but I've been putting my time and my effort into this. And today I was supposed to graduate today on the 7th. Today is my graduation, but I'm here.
I mean, you're here because you violated probation. That's why they have a warrant for you. I honestly don't think probation is appropriate for her.
I think she should be given a chance to finish out her probation, I'm pretty sure. And she'll confirm that she'll be able to finish out probation
But I mean, we're
successfully.
here for, I do believe we're here for the same thing that we've been here before. Everything that probation is asking her to do now, that you all have agreed to, I've already given that to her and she didn't do it. And now we're back and they're asking for the same thing. It's not as though we're dealing with a 4-year-old. How old are you?
23, Your Honor.
All right, so she knows. All right. Probation, what has she done on probation? Has she completed anything?
Do I talk about? Oh.
She's had probation.
That she needed the reentry program with turning points.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, because those are waived if she completed Turning Point. Okay,
I also, may I speak, Your Honor?
yes.
I also got my diploma as requested.
Mhm.
I paid off all my fees as
Mhm.
well.
Oh, the fees are paid off during the spread.
My address is up to date. I understand that they haven't been able to come to my house. So I'm at school. I have proof that I'm at school. I have my progress report with all my grades.
All right, state. I don't think she's appropriate for probation, but I would consider a 1244
Okay, Judge,
if there's no objection.
no objection.
All right, the court is, yes.
This is what's known as a 12.44 reduction. In Texas law, it lets the judge downgrade a state jail felony to county jail time. Basically, Ariana's avoiding a full-blown state sentence, but still getting locked up for 60 days. It's a small mercy, but it comes with a permanent mark. She's now officially a felon. That's a life-changing label.
Okay. All right, do you want to explain to her about 1244 and ask whether or not she's waiving her right to appeal?
So I'll do some time.
Well, Judge, how many days would you consider? I don't know how many days she has. How many days is it? Gets 30 days credit, so we're asking for 1244 for 30 days, judgment set.
No, Judge.
Right, what I'll do is, I'm not gonna do the 30 days, I'll do 60 days. Give her credit for any time served. Is she waiving her right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. The court will grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 60 days in the Bexar County Jail, Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a question for you. Oh, go ahead, sorry.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. Bexar County Jail, they give people sometimes 2 for 1. I'm not in charge of whether you get 2 for 1 or not. The only thing that I can do is I could put on the directive, this person is to do day for day time, which would mean you would have to do the full 60 days. I'm not doing that. What time you get at what credits you receive from the jail, that is strictly up to Bexar County Jail. So if Bexar County Jail wants to give you 2 for 1, that's up to them. What I can tell you is, if you're not a trustee, trustees usually for every day they serve, they get credit for 3 days. It appears you're not in red, so they're probably going to give you credit every day as 2 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else?
So does this mean I'm gonna be a felon?
Yes,
So is there a way that I can get this off my record?
you have to speak to your attorney.
And there it is, the harsh reality of deferred adjudication gone wrong. One missed test, one skip meeting, and a second chance vanishes. What do you think? Did the judge make the right call, or was there room for compassion here? Let me know in the comments.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Maybe she's,
Yes.
thank you.